Hi students, good morning. How are you? I hope you all are fine and safe in your home and also so busy in your studies. है ना? बहुत बिजी है ना पढ़ाई में, क्लास वर्क, एग्ज़ाम्स एक्सेट्रा. ओके? So students, today's date 16/9/2020, Standard 8. I am going to explain grammar. My topic is the past tense. Okay? Past tense. Sentence देखिए and also match it. They packed when we came. And they were packing when we came. Third is they had packed when we came. Okay, in past tense, first is simple past tense. In simple past tense is used for an action completed at some time in the past. पास्ट में कुछ ही टाइम बीता हो, ऐसा कोई काम किया जाए जो कि थोड़ी देर पहले ही हुआ हो. सम टाइम इन द पास्ट, सो द टाइम इज मैंशनड और अंडरस्टूड इन द कॉन्टेक्स्ट. तो उसमें सिंपल पास्ट टेंस यूज़ किया जाता है. फॉर एग्जाम्पल, फर्स्ट, आई फोन हिम यस्टरडे. Mother Teresa died in 1997. My father bought this camera in Japan. The simple past is sometimes used for habits or repeated action in the past. किसी हैबिट के लिए कोई रिपीटेड एक्शन पास्ट का है, उसके लिए यूज होता है. When I was in Chennai, I went to beach nearly every morning. Okay? Now simple past in different types of sentences. अलग अलग sentences में कैसे यूज होता है simple past tense? Assertive. In assertive form, he helped. Negative form, he did not help. And interrogative form, did he help? Okay? Now second is past continuous tense. Past continuous tense is used for an incomplete action in the past. पास्ट कंटिन्यूस टेंस जो कि कोई एक्शन है वो इनकम्प्लीट है, सो उसके लिए यूज होता है. इट डिस्क्राइब एन एक्शन गोइंग ऑन एट सम टाइम इन द पास्ट. कुछ समय पहले ही गोइंग ऑन है. एंड द पास्ट कंटिन्यूस टेंस इज ऑफन यूज्ड इन कॉम्बिनेशन विद द सिंपल पास्ट एंड इट शोज दैट एन एक्शन वॉज कंटिन्यूइंग एट अ टाइम व्हेन अ शॉर्टर action happened. Okay? ये हमें क्या बता रहा है? पास्ट कंटिन्यूस ऑफन यूज्ड इन कॉम्बिनेशन विद सिंपल पास्ट के कॉम्बिनेशन में भी यूज़ किया जाता है. और ये हमें बताता है एक्शन वॉज कंटिन्यूइंग, एक्शन कंटिन्यू है एट अ टाइम व्हेन अ शॉर्टर एक्शन हैपन्ड. एंड फर्दर एग्जाम्पल देखिए तो आप लोगों को ज़्यादा समझ में आएगा. द टीवी स्क्रीन वेंट ब्लैक व्हेन वी वर वॉचिंग द न्यूज़. सेकेंड, शी बर्न्ड हर फिंगर्स व्हेन शी वॉज मेकिंग टी. व्हेन टॉम वॉज साइक्लिंग होम a tire punctured. Now next is past perfect tense. The past perfect is used for an action completed before a certain point in the past or before another action happened. Examples: by the time it was 8 o'clock, I had done my homework. पास्ट परफेक्ट का यूज़ कहाँ होता है? एन एक्शन कंप्लीटेड बिफोर, एक एक्शन कंप्लीट हुआ है एक सर्टेन पॉइंट इन द पास्ट और बिफोर अनदर एक्शन हैपन, और दूसरा एक्शन भी हो जाता है, तो पास्ट परफेक्ट टेंस का यूज़ करते हैं. एग्जाम्पल्स देखिए. बाय द टाइम इट वॉज 8 o'clock, आई हैड डन माई होमवर्क. When we reached the station, the train had left. I listened to CD that Suresh had lent me. She asked where you had gone. The patient had died when the doctor arrived. I had finished my work before the bell rang. Okay, students. Now next is past perfect continuous tense. The past perfect continuous tense is used for an action that began before a certain point in the past, continued for some time and then ended in the past. Past perfect continuous tense कहाँ यूज़ किया जाता है? एक्शन दैट बिगन बिफोर अ सर्टेन पॉइंट इन द पास्ट, ओके, एंड कंटिन्यूड फॉर सम टाइम एंड देन एंडेड इन द पास्ट. ओके, for example, how long had you been waiting to get on the bus? At that time he had been writing a novel. She had been studying when she got married. He had been teaching us English grammar then. And I had been doing my research when the job offer came. They had been talking for over an hour before mother arrived. Using the past perfect continuous before another action in the past is a good way to show cause and effect. Examples देखिए. Chris was tired because he had been jogging. Alam gained weight because he had been overeating. Namita failed the final test because she had not been attending class. Okay, students. And now our next topic is the future tense. Future tense, भविष्य काल. Our next topic is the future tense. अब देखिए, several ways to talking about the future. हम फ्यूचर के बारे में कैसे बात कर सकते हैं? कुछ देखिए वे है. देखिए, प्रेजेंट कंटिन्यूअस टेंस, देयर आर सेवरल डिफरेंट वेज टू टॉकिंग अबाउट द फ्यूचर. वी कैन फॉर एग्जाम्पल देखिए, प्रेजेंट कंटिन्यूस टेंस, फादर इज कमिंग होम नेक्स्ट वीक. सिंपल प्रेजेंट, ट्रेन टू चेन्नई लीव्स एट 5:30. विल, डू यू थिंक शी विल कम फॉर द पार्टी? Going to, we were going to buy a new car next month. Future continuous tense, I will be waiting for you at the bus stop. Future perfect tense, by the time you come back, I will have done my work. नाउ देखिए, प्रेजेंट कंटिन्यूस में कैसे यूज़ करें. प्रेजेंट कंटिन्यूस टेंस यूज्ड फॉर थिंग्स दैट पीपल हैव अरेंज टू डू इन द फ्यूचर. आई एम प्लेइंग टेनिस टुमारो. आई हैव अरेंज टू प्ले टेनिस टुमारो. आई हैव अ प्लान टू डू इट. मोहन एंड शोभा आर कमिंग दिस इवनिंग. आर यू गोइंग होम एट द वीकेंड? So we often use the present continuous for the future with verbs of coming and going, like go, come, arrive, fly and travel. Simple present tense में कैसे यूज़ करेंगे? Used for official programs and also for timetable. School opens on 20th June. The train leaves at 7:30. And what time does the football match start? And the shops open at 9 a.m. Going to, the going to form be going to plus base form used to talk about things we have already decided to do. वो चीज़ें जो हमने करने का प्लान कर लिया या डिसाइड कर लिया है, ऐसी चीज़ें. सो एग्जाम्पल्स, आई एम गोइंग टू रीड दिस बुक, आई बॉट इट yesterday. Why are you filling in the bucket with water? I am going to wash the car. We also use going to form when we can see a future action coming because of the present situation. For example, the boat is full of water. It is going to sink. It's going to rain. Look at those clouds. Oh dear, I am going to sneeze. Now next, future continuous tense. And future continuous is, we use the future continuous tense or will be plus ing form. Or for example, I will be writing to talk about actions that will be going on for some time in the future. It means that we will be in the middle of an action. ओके, एग्जांपल्स देखिए कुछ, मतलब अब एक्शन के मिडल में ही है, ऐसा होने वाला है, कंटिन्यूअस, तो वी यूज़ फ्यूचर परफेक्ट, वी यूज़ फ्यूचर कंटिन्यूअस टेंस. फॉर एग्जांपल, वी विल बी वेटिंग फॉर यू व्हेन यू अराइव एट द एयरपोर्ट. Can I see you at 4 o'clock? Please don't come then. I will be watching the tennis match. What do you think you will be doing at this time next year? We also use this tense for future actions which are fixed or which are expected to happen in the normal course of things. Example, the Prime Minister will be arriving in 10 minutes time. I will be phoning my uncle tonight. I always phone him on Sundays. Will you be passing the post office when you go out? Now future perfect tense. We use the future perfect tense will have plus past participle. For example, I will have written. To talk about actions that will be completed at a future time by 8 p.m. tonight. I will have finished my homework. You will have done this painting. Mother will have cooked the dinner. And Buzo will have had his supper. Father will have returned from office. It will have stopped raining. Our neighbor will have left for the US. Other examples are there. By this time tomorrow I will have finished the job. She will have left before you go to see her. And we will have lived here for 10 years next December. And I call for you at 8. Will you have had dinner by then? Future perfect continuous. Future perfect continuous tense is used for actions which will be progress over a period of time and will end in future. ऐसे actions जो progress कर रहे हैं period of time के साथ साथ but end in future. For example, by next June we shall have been living here for 4 years and I will have been teaching for 20 years next July. Okay, students. Understand? Students, in your homework, learn write all define of present tense, past tense, future tense, all parts of 3 tense. Also learn write examples. Okay, so tense is over. And make a new notebook for English grammar and include topics: direct and indirect speech, active passive voice, and figure of speech, and notice writing, story writing, compose in compo notebook, also tense, in tense, present tense, past tense, future tense, all tense included. Okay, so complete your grammar CW in good handwriting with example. Okay, students, goodbye.